You did not come from a monkey. I know, that's what most people think. That somewhere back in time, a monkey slowly turned into a human. But that's not what happened. The real story is stranger and much more beautiful. So let's rewind. Not 100 years, not 1,000, 7 million years. You've seen this picture, a neat straight line. It feels simple, it feels true, but it's wrong. Monkeys and apes are still here, alive right now in the forests. If we came from them, why are they still around? We came from someone else, someone who is no longer here. Think about your own cousin. You both came from the same grandparent. Humans and chimpanzees are exactly like that. We are cousins. There was one animal, not a human, not a chimp, living in Africa. That creature had children. One line became chimpanzees, another line became us. Same grandparent, two different paths. So, who was this grandparent? We don't have a photo of it, of course. It lived around 7 million years ago in the forests of Africa. It was something in between. Small, hairy, climbing trees, eating fruit. Its grandchildren would build cities, fly planes, and watch videos like this. That little creature is where our whole story begins. Here's the proof. It's written inside your own body. DNA decides things like your height, your eyes, your blood. We are almost 99% the same. The animal behind the glass shares almost all of its code with you. That's not a coincidence. That's family. Evolution is not a straight line where one thing becomes better. It's more like a tree, or really a wild, messy bush. Many different kinds of early humans appeared. Almost every one of those branches died out. They lived, they struggled, and then they were gone. Only one branch is still alive today. Us. Here's a secret most people never learned in school. We were not the only humans on Earth. Different kinds of humans walking the same world at the same time. Some were stronger than us. Some had bigger brains than us. They vanished. And we survived. Why? How did we make it when they didn't? We'll meet them one by one in this series. So no, you didn't come from a monkey. You came from a tiny, forgotten creature. One survivor out of many. Every person you've ever met is part of that same unbroken line. That's not just science. That's your family story. Next time, the 3-million-year-old skeleton that proved it. Did you grow up believing we came from monkeys? This is the story of us. I'll see you in the next one.